Hey everyone, so today we're going to be joining a computer to our domain. So here we have our domain controller. It's already set up. You can see server.com is our domain. And the first thing we're going to do is change a few of the network settings. A bit of it was done in our previous video. You can check that if you haven't, but still going to do it over again. So the first thing I want to do is navigate to Network and Sharing Center. There's multiple ways to get it, but I got it through the network icon on the bottom here. So I'll click on Network and Sharing. Then I will go to Change Adapter Settings. And here I could see Ethernet, server.com. I'll right click, click Properties. And here I'm looking for IPv4, which is right here. So I'm going to click that and click Properties. Right, and now I want to click use the following IP address. So I could set an IP address, and I want to set it to our IP address basically, and we could find that out using the command prompt. You could type in command with the command prompt, and if you type in ipconfig, if I type that in correctly, yes. So you can see my IP address here. Everyone will have their own. So mine is, I'm trying to memorize that, and so 192.168.56.10. Oh, let me type that over. 56 space 103. And you could confirm that that's correct. 192.168.56.103. Subnet mask. Once you click the box, it should fill out for you. And for our DNS server address, we're gonna put our local host address, which for everyone will be 127.0.0.1. Right, so we're gonna set that, and that's everything that needs to be done on the domain controller side. We're going to go onto the client side now. So I'm going to switch over to my Windows 7 client I have here. And this is what I'm going to try to connect to the domain. So once again, I'm going to go to Network and Sharing Center on the client. And I'm going to navigate to the same place, but just only in Windows 7 instead. So right click Properties, IPv4 Properties. Right, and the IP address could actually stay as it is, obtain an IP address automatically. What we mainly want to change is this, and we're going to put the DNS server address to the same the IP address of our client that we had before, which is just our IP address. So 192.168.56.103. Right, 191, right. From there, one thing we also want to make sure of is when you go to change advanced sharing settings, that everything is turned on. Turn on network discovery, turn on everything. For me, it looks like everything is turned on by default, so that's good. So we can X off that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to press the start button. We're going to look for computer, right click, go to properties, and then here we have change settings. Once again, this is Windows 7, so it might be different for you. But now we're going to navigate to change, and we're going to add a domain name here. So my domain, server.com. So I'm going to click OK. Right, and you can see now we need to enter. If you have created a special account, we could enter that, but for now we're just going to use the administrator account. So administrator, and my password is capital P @ SSW0RD. It's pretty secure. Oops, I spelled it wrong. I saw right before. Yeah. Click click OK, and if everything is good, right, it connects. Welcome to the server.com domain. So now, right, so we had to restart for everything to save properly, but we're now connected to the domain. If we wanted to, actually, as I was mentioning before, we could have created an account for that computer one time. So to do that, just to quickly show, you could go to Tools, Active Directory, Users and Computers. Taking a while to load. Okay, we click the drop down server, right click, Users, and then New User. And then we'll be able to create a user. So when we had to put in administrator previously, we could just put in this user instead. But we'll be creating a few users in our next video, so we could go into that then. But yeah, that's a short video on how to join a computer to a domain. Thank you. See you next time.